How to create a Facebook business page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial videos where I will teach you guys how you can create a Facebook business page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account, and after you do that, you can head over to your menu on the bottom right corner. After you do that, on your profile, you will see an option that is like a drop-down button. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see the list of your already existing Facebook business pages if you have them. If you do not, you'll see an option to create Facebook profile. Tap on create Facebook profile now, where you can just choose for a page. Now there you can see two options. First is the personal profile. The other is a public page where you can use it for business purposes. Select that and tap on next. Now you can choose for a page name. So I'll just choose my name simply. And after I do that, I'll tap on done. Tap on next. And as you can see, it is not available. So I'll just use whatever it's suggesting me. So let me change it to that and then tap on next again. So there we go. Now you'll need to choose a category for your business page. So choose whatever is your category for your business. And after you choose that, we can then tap on next again. Tap on create. And after you tap on create, it can take some time depending on your internet speed. And after it's done, you will have your business page. Now right here, you can just finish setting up your page, create a bio. And yeah, you can just create a bio. You can add your websites, your emails, your phone number, and then your location as well. You can also enable your hours. And after you do that, you're basically good to go. So let me just go here, tap on next. And now there are a lot of stuff that you might want to change here. You can add a photo for your business. You can add the logo of your business. And yeah, now you can invite your friends. You can choose everyone from your friend list. You can tap on select all and then tap on next. Tap on invite to invite your friends. And yeah, now we can choose just anything here. Just go through that, read everything. And as you can see, now it is switching to my business page. And yeah, with that, now I have just created my business page on my Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.